AtOnce is a pharmaceutical Google Ads agency that focuses on turning clicks into real leads. We can find wasted spend inside live accounts and stop it fast. We can tighten bids and ad messages to raise real conversion counts. Campaign spend goes to broad search that never converts. We can spot high-cost queries and stop them from draining budgets. We can also make bids match real lead value. We run a focused stack of services for active accounts. This includes campaign and budget management, weekly optimizations, keyword and audience research, ad copywriting, creative design, and landing page work. Each step ties to conversion metrics, not vanity metrics. We can manage budgets across search, display, and remarketing inside live accounts. We can use shared budgets, bid caps, and portfolio strategies to keep spend focused on high-value queries. We can audit bid strategies like target CPA and ROAS and suggest safer bid bands. We can run a weekly optimization cadence that looks at search terms, bids, ads, and landing pages. We can pause low-quality keywords, tighten bids on weak ad groups, and raise bids on high-converting queries. We can recover wasted spend within days, not months. We can split keywords into brand, generic, clinical, and competitor buckets. We can add medical indication keywords and remove off-label language. We can tag queries so reporting shows which buckets drive real interest. We can craft ad text that follows pharma ad rules and still drives action. We can avoid disallowed medical claims while using clear value statements and trust signals. We can write headlines that match landing page intent and reduce ad rejection risk. We can design clean landing page variants that match ad intent and policy. We can test hero headlines, image choices, trust badges, and form lengths to see what moves conversions. We can keep the faster, clearer version once data shows a winner. We can audit landing pages for speed, clarity, and policy language. We can recommend form field changes, trust signals, and clearer privacy disclosures to meet compliance. We can test lower friction flows that keep lead quality intact. Onboarding starts with an in-depth audit of the live account and the main landing pages. We can share a prioritized action list and a weekly work plan. The AtOnce CMO assigned acts like a fractional CMO focused only on Google Ads and landing pages.